Ya no es el solo ver.
Sharing is caring. Bird and cat enjoying a meal together. Such an adorable duo.
Hola, hola, saludando al gato sin morderlo. Yo sé que los cuidan. Eso, saludando nomás.
Crow bestie visits to invite the cat out to play. A magical friendship beyond species. Cat's like, huh, a long-lost twin who can fly? Meeting an owl, cat's utterly baffled. Cat and crow besties playing on the street. This friendship is so free-spirited and adorable. Curious kitten and brave budgie. The first kiss of a beautiful friendship.
I love you.
A peaceful moment in the sun. Cat and sparrow enjoying the fresh air, so relaxing. Gentle giant cat and tiny bird friend. Curious, gentle taps, so adorable. This brave parrot is riding the cat horse around. Such a funny and cute pair. A cross-dimensional meeting through the glass. Curious cat and a very majestic bird. When your brother prefers birds, but the cat still gently cares for the little bird. So sweet. The cat army is watching a free bird circus. Impressive flying show, cats are amazed. Is the cat guarding the pigeon's meal? Or just waiting for a chance to ask for a bite? The cat becomes a mobile nest for baby birds. Such a peaceful and sweet scene.
It's very funny to watch them. I don't think they understand that one is a bird and one is a cat. She honestly is so happy to be anywhere that Pugsley is.
A special family. The cat looks like an honorary member of the owl family. So heartwarming. A peaceful nap for these best buddies. This moment truly melts the heart. Parrot and cat plotting a great escape? Their plan seems very detailed and secretive. First encounter. The cat can't take its eyes off the mysterious owl outside. So curious. Bathing together for fun. Both cat and bird are soaking wet, but still utterly adorable. Parrot wants to befriend the cat on its throne. The cat seems a bit aloof at first. The whole squad enjoying a sunset boat ride together. Such a romantic and memorable moment.
For the cats to watch the birds. They are having so much fun. This is Cat TV Live.
This brave bird is teasing the cat with its flight. The cat looks like it's about to lose it. An intense wrestling match between cat and parrot. Who will be the champion? So fun! Mountain climbing, cat and bird edition. The parrot is determinedly conquering Mount Cat.
Can I keep your keys, my bucko? I love you so much. You're so beautiful, adorable. Let's just baby possess you.
Best friends tease each other daily. Cat and crow, an adorable frenemy duo. Kitten and baby bird becoming friends in a cozy box. Their affectionate gestures are so sweet. Kitten meets an owl after the rain. Hello there, can we be friends? Cat, can I have a bite? Bird, busy eating, don't disturb. A cute silent conversation. Waking up a friend with gentleness. This parrot truly knows how to care for its sleeping cat buddy. A morning's paw session from the budgie. The cat looks like it's truly enjoying this special treatment. First encounter. The cats seem a bit puzzled by this new winged friend. The ultimate reality TV show for cats. Bird watching with ensured actor privacy.
I bought Gus a bird feeder on Amazon that clings to windows, and then I got him a privacy screen for the window so that he can see out, but the birds can.
The cat choir is all watching the Sparrow Star. Everyone is captivated by the performance.
Charlie, hi kitty. Charlie, come say hi to the cat. Kitty wants to play with you, Charlie. You need to play with Kitty. You need to say hi.
Lovebirds, but must maintain the good boy image. These cat bosses are so disciplined.
Say hi to Kitty. Say hi. Hi, give a kiss. Give Kitty a kiss, Charlie. Good girl. Kitty, say hi. Give
Aren't
a kiss,
these
Charlie.
amazing friendships between cats and birds just lovely? What are your feelings? Don't hesitate to share in the comments below. Thank you for your time watching. Goodbye and see you in the next video.